we got a new kit to look at. This is the Monogram Classic Cruiser 55 Chevy, or 55 Ford F100 from I don't see a date on it. Don't see a date. But let's have a look. Here's our 4 tires. Our glass. I'm not going to take out of the bag. Here's our decals. I won't be using them because I don't like putting a lot of decals on my kit. Here's our instructions. There's not many steps. Looks like you can hinge the hood though to make the hood open. And I might go with aftermarket tires on this. Here's our chrome tree. Our bumper, our valve covers, our intake, steering wheel, our rotors, our custom wheels, our rims. Here's our hood, our front suspension, our wheel backs, our headers, intake. I think that's the firewall for the truck. Or no, maybe it's the custom front bumper, front end. It's our rear suspension, our engine halves, radiator, exhaust, our differential rear end, and the hinge to open the hood, or to hinge the hood. Here's our bench seat. Here's our other exhaust, stock steering wheel, and our dash. Here's our other differential part laying in the bag. I gotta hurry up and get some stuff painted because it's getting cold in a hurry here in Iowa. Alright, here's our interior and the bed of our truck, which is nice. You can do that of wood grain. That would look really good. Here's our frame. I'm going to assume these are our door panels for the inside of the truck. Not a lot of parts to it. Here's our box, our tailgate, our fenders. Got real good, well, very faint nubs for mounting the fenders. Here's our lovely Ford body. Very clean. Nice crisp lines. Especially around the windshield. That would be nice to do that in bare metal foil. Make that stand out. Our gas cap. It's very tinny plastic. Doesn't seem like it's warped or anything. It's sitting pretty flat. Oh, I see, it just fits right over there. The running board. That's nice, that fits on there. Fits on there pretty well. Yeah, so we'll be starting this build. At least getting it painted before the cold weather gets here. Because I have to paint out in the garage and I have no heat. So I got to get this painted. Got to finish my alien ship. Doing a lot of dry brushing right now, so I'm letting that dry. But yeah. Guys, I'll have a great day and I'll catch you in the next video. See you later.